I heard about EIPM about 6 years ago, coming here as a total curiosity for awards and the annual conference, and ever since we've been connected. So this year's conference was very much about digital and culture. So the digital side, it's a kind of the DNA of Capgemini because we're a leading IT service company. The culture part is always interesting because you have so many different point of views depending on the background, the industry where people operate. So it was a lot of diverse point of views and also a nice way to exchange ideas or insights about what is coming next.
I was extremely impressed by the assessment process when I applied for the award and when I was part of the jury this year as the winner of last year. The award is, first of all, an incredible recognition of the work we did over the past years, and I can tell you then, that when I brought back the award in my organization, it was a great celebration and also a great encouragement to continue the progress that we're making.
And of course, my compliments and thanks also to all participants. And the biggest thank and compliments go to the 6 finalists which we had there. And what impressed me most is now following this award, now for the EIPM Awards for a number of years. But even going back, when I think about when I was first time exposed to purchasing management and when this concept of supply management and the portfolio matrix was developed, it's more than 40 years ago. If I see the progress over that time, and if I see the progress now over the last 8 years of EIPM, it's fantastic. So compliments to all the past and now winners for the progress you are doing, because the supply management matrix was developed in a very volatile time. It was the time of first oil crisis. But today, 40 years later, the times are even more complex, more volatile, more uncertainties and events, and I think you all purchasing managers who are involved into that one. You're in a very complex situation, so, and you carry a lot of responsibility in your position, so compliments on what you have achieved, and I think that the progress achieved should encourage you all and us all, to continue this development, which I think is well presented here. It's not a linear, it's a kind of exponential development. And in exponential development, you have to be fast. And all the things you are doing, the core will be not only the short-term impact you are achieving, I think that the core will be the long-term impact and sustainability of your companies or your countries, wherever you are. And all this will be only achieved through the people, which is you and your teams. And the rewards today, I think, are not only rewards to the people who will be standing up here, it's rewards to your teams and what you are doing with your people, developing them, developing talents, and developing this function to become a true corporate strategic function, which is a place it deserves. So much of that speaker for the jury. Thanks again, and compliments to all winners.